In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flatten a Teachers Pay Teachers product using PowerPoint and Google Slides. This process is essential if you want to secure your digital resources, ensuring that all the elements are preserved and protected. So let's dive right in and go through the steps together to easily transform your files. We're going to start by heading over to Google Slides. Open up your browser and navigate to Google Slides by typing slides.google.com in the address bar. Once you're there, sign in using your Google account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create it. This step is crucial because signing in allows you to save your work and easily access it whenever you need it. After you've signed in, find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. Here you'll see all recent presentations you've been working on. If you want to start fresh, click on blank presentation. Alternatively, you can choose a template that suits your needs. Templates can be handy as they provide a predetermined structure, making it easier to organize your content. Next, with your presentation open, we're going to download it. Look toward the upper left corner and click on the File option in the menu bar. This opens a drop-down menu with multiple options. Here, find and select the Download option. This allows us to choose a suitable format for the document. The next step is to select a format to download your presentation. You'll see several options, but for our purposes, click on the PDF format. Downloading your file as a PDF is essential when flattening your product because it turns all your slides into a static format. This means images and text are locked in place, preventing any unwanted alterations. PDFs are universally accessible and great for sharing securely. And there you have it, you've successfully flattened your Teachers Pay Teachers product. It's that straightforward. Once you have your PDF file, you can distribute it confidently, knowing your work is preserved and secure. Flattening your product ensures that your content remains exactly how you intended, without unauthorized changes. I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, the key advantage of flattening your document this way is to maintain the integrity of your product, protecting your hard work from unintended changes. Thank you for joining me today, and if you have any questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. Keep creating and more importantly, keep sharing safely.